This hybrid model could find one fact buried in 256,000 tokens. Then we taught it to reason, and it forgot how to look that far back. Chain of thought fine tuning makes it reason better, but it quietly biases attention toward nearby tokens. On a 9 billion model, long range recall collapses from 67% down to 9. Here's the catch: the recall loss traces to just two matrices: the query and key projections, the part that decides where the model looks. Everything it learned about reasoning sits elsewhere, untouched. So QK-Restore just swaps those query and key projections back to the version from before fine-tuning and keeps every other improved weight. No data, no training. A weight swap. Long-range recall comes back. On a 5 billion model, it climbs from 65 to 76%, past where it started, while the reasoning gains stay.